Welcome. In this lesson from Maryland HVAC Repair, we're going to break down one of the most important formulas in HVAC manual J-load calculations. =AXUX DTBTU stands for British thermal units per hour, the amount of heat lost or gained every hour. Let's look at each part of the formula. A is the area in square feet. U is the U value, which tells us how easily heat passes through a material. DT is the temperature difference between indoors and outdoors. Now let's use this formula with a real example. Imagine a 6-foot by 6-foot window. That's 36 square feet of area. We're told this is a metal double-pane window with no thermal break. Its U value is 0.87. If it's 70 degrees inside and 20 degrees outside, the temperature difference is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now plug in the numbers. BT equals sign 36x 0.87x 50 BTU equals sign 1,566. That means this window is losing 1,566 BTUs of heat every hour. To size an HVAC system correctly, you do this for every window, wall, door, ceiling, and floor. Then, you add them all up to get the total heat loss or gain for the building. And that's how you use BTU equals sign AXUX DT to calculate heat load the manual J way. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Maryland HVAC Repair, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson.